I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a consistent wake time and treating it like an appointment you cannot miss. Set an alarm and get sunlight within 30 minutes for 15 to 30 minutes to signal your circadian clock. Once done, skip long naps and stop caffeine by mid-afternoon so sleep pressure builds. If necessary, use a 20-minute nap cap. Make sure to plan a hard-out time for screens 60-90 minutes before bed to start evening wind-down. You now construct a predictable evening that cues sleep. Dim lights and remove screens 60 to 90 minutes before bed while doing a low-arousal activity like light reading, gentle stretching, or paced breathing to lower arousal. Once your body associates this sequence with sleep, consistency will strengthen the response. Make the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Reserve it for sleep only. If thoughts race, write a 2-minute worry list and set it aside to reduce pre-sleep cognitive arousal. You finish by aligning your bedtime with the fixed wake time using gradual 15 to 30-minute shifts every few nights until you hit your target window. Once in bed, give yourself 20 minutes. If you remain awake, get up and do a quiet activity under dim light, then return when sleepy. This conditions sleepiness for bed. If after 3 weeks you still struggle, tweak light exposure and timing or seek specialist help. Remember the troubleshooting rule. Adjust very.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.